In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule on Calendly. Calendly is an incredibly useful tool that helps you manage your appointments and save time on back and forth scheduling. Whether you're setting up meetings with clients, colleagues, or anyone else, Calendly can streamline the process by letting others book directly based on your availability. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to get started, from logging in to creating a personalized schedule that works for you. Let's dive in and get your schedule set up. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. Once you've arrived, log in to your Calendly account. Logging in is necessary to access and manage your scheduling preferences. Now, if you're new to Calendly and don't have an account yet, don't worry. Just click the option to sign up and follow the prompts to create one. It's quick and easy to get started. If you're using Google Calendar and want to link it to Calendly, click on the Continue with Google option during the login process. This step is really helpful because linking your Google Calendar allows Calendly to track your appointments and prevent double bookings. From here, select the Google account you want to use with Calendly. Make sure it's the one that holds your current calendar events. After selecting your account, you'll be prompted to grant Calendly the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. This is an important step because it lets Calendly check your availability in real time and ensures there are no scheduling conflicts. Once you've logged in and linked your calendar, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your scheduling settings. From here, look for the availability option in the navigation menu and click on it. This section is key because it allows you to define exactly when you're open for appointments, helping you avoid overbooking and keep your schedule under control. Next, click on the Create Schedule button within the Availability section. This will open a new window where you can set up your scheduling parameters. Take your time here to define the hours and days when you're available. For example, you might want to block off weekends for personal time or set specific hours for different types of meetings. Calendly makes it easy to customize your availability to suit your needs. Now, give your schedule a clear and descriptive name. Naming your schedule is more important than it may seem. It helps you quickly identify it later, especially if you manage multiple schedules. For instance, you might name it something like client meetings or weekly check-ins. Once you've fine-tuned your schedule and named it, click on the Create button to save everything. And just like that, your schedule is ready to go. The final step is to share your personalized Calendly link with clients, colleagues, or anyone else who needs to book time with you. This link is key because it allows others to see your availability in real time and book an appointment during your open slots. No need for endless emails or messages to coordinate schedules. It's all automatic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up your Calendly account, linked it with your Google Calendar, created a customized schedule, and are now ready to share your link with others. Calendly truly makes scheduling a breeze. If you don't already have a Calendly account, remember you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. So now you know exactly how to schedule on Calendly and make your appointment management seamless. If you have any questions or want more tutorials like this, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.